Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can stop spam calls on any iPhone. So alright, so the step I'm going to be showing you guys is called blocking numbers, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do that, because once you block certain number, that number can't call you. Basically they can call you, but like you're not going to receive any notification or any ringtone that they called you. So basically that's what blocking a number does. So even if you're not using iPhone, in Android as well, the step is called blocking phone. So if you're using Android, you can search in YouTube searching like how you guys can block numbers on your current phone which you're using, because there's like tons of brand of Android and the type on how you guys can block a number is different. So search for it depending on which phone you use and block a number and nobody can call you. So for iPhone user, watch this video until the end, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can block a number which keeps on calling you or are like a spam caller. All right, so follow the step and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. And if you want the same video but for Android version, comment down below, I'll make a video on that as well. All right, let's move on. First step, you want to click on the phone icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and over here you want to find the number which keeps on calling you. So let's say the number over here 4357733, an unknown number keeps calling me. So if I want to block it, what I can do is click on this little eye icon over here right beside the number. Once I click on the eye icon, it's going to bring me over here. Now once I'm over here, at the bottom there's going to be this option called block this caller. So what you can do is click on block this caller and click on block contact. And remember, over here at the top it says you will not receive phone calls, messages or FaceTime from people on this block list, which means basically you won't receive phone calls from this person. So if he or she is a spam caller, once you block them, they cannot call you. But I don't want to block this number, so I'm just going to click on cancel to unblock them. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can stop spam callers on any iPhone. So hope you guys understand what I was trying to tell you guys. If you guys were confused in any part, you can comment down below, I'll help you guys with that. So this is it for today's video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.